Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel EduVenture SG. So let's start doing another interesting word problem on whole numbers. So let's read the question first. Xavier gets an allowance of $55 every week. He spends $27 more than what he saves each week. How much money does he spend in 5 weeks? So what we have here is Xavier gets an allowance of $55. So you can think it as it's a pocket money, allowance or pocket money. So every week he gets how much money? $55, right? So out of $55, he spends $27 more than what he saves each week. Okay, so that means he saves less, right? Less than what he spends, right? Because written here he spends $27 more than what he saves each week. So what we have to find is how much he spends in 5 weeks. Okay, so let's start drawing our model. We know that from here we know that he saves lesser than what he spends. How much? 27. So let's draw the model. So let's say he saves every week, he saves this much. Okay, this much. Okay, so let's say this is his saving. So let's say this is 1 unit. So what do you think, how much will be his, how much he spends? Right, he spends $27 more than what he saves, right? So let's say this is what he spends, right? So how much more it should be from what he saves? 27 more. So this is 27, and obviously this is 1 unit, right? And this is what he spends, okay, every week. So 1 unit he saves, 1 unit plus another 27 he spends, and all together is how much? All together this is how much? It is 55. So all this is for 1 week. Okay, this is for 1 week. So if you see from the model, right, if you just remove this another extra 27 from here, right, if you just subtract this extra 27 from 55, we will be left with 2 units, right? We'll be left with 2 units. So let's do that. So from here we can say that 2 units, this 2 units is equal to 55 minus 27, right? This whole thing is 55. If we take out this 27, we'll be left with 2 units. So this is equal to what? So 2 units will be equal to 28, right? Because 55 minus 27 is 28. So 1 unit will be equal to 28 divided by 2, which will give us 1 unit equals to 14. Okay, so if the question would have been how much he saves in 1 week, the answer is here because he saves 1 unit. But the question is not that. The question is how much he spends in 5 weeks. So in order to find how much he spends in 5 weeks, we have to find how much he spends in 1 week. Okay, so how much he spends. So let's find out how much he spends in 1 week. So what do you think from the model? How much he spends in 1 week? See, this is the expenditure, right? This is what he spends in 1 week, right? 1 unit plus another 27, and we know that 1 unit is 14. So just add another 27 to it, right? Another 27 to it, and that you will get, I think, 41, right? 27 plus 14 is 41. So this is what he saves in 1 week. So how much he would save in 5 weeks? So sorry, this is what he spends in 1 week. So how much he would spend, how much he will spend in 5 weeks? So that's easy, right? I think all of you know it. It's 41 times 5, right? Because in 1 week it's 41. So in 5 weeks it will be 41 times 5. That will give you 205. Okay, so let's write our answer. Now what's the question? Let's read it again. How much money does he spends in 5 weeks? So he spends $205 in 5 weeks. Okay, so just let's write it. Okay, answer is Xavier spends $205 in 5 weeks. Okay, so that's our answer. Hope you like the solution. Keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. See you.